Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can enable Google reCAPTCHA just like those you have on your screen, and I hope you all know reCAPTCHAs. These things are reCAPTCHAs. I'm not a robot, reCAPTCHA. Okay, so we're going to enable that on our website. It doesn't matter the kind of website you are using, you can enable this on it. All right, in this video and for tutorial purposes, I'm going to be using this exact website set up in my previous video, and then we're going to enable reCAPTCHA on it. Okay, before that, go ahead and enable CAPTCHA, and then this way we're going to enter our reCAPTCHA key. In order to get to this part, please click on settings and then go to general configuration, and we have this field. This way we're going to enter our reCAPTCHA key. So where do we get our reCAPTCHA key? Please proceed to Google. All right, go to Google, and then here type Google reCAPTCHA. Okay, just type Google reCAPTCHA. After that, click on admin console. Admin console. Please make sure you select or you sign in with your Gmail, because this is a Google product. Google reCAPTCHA is a Google product. They made it. Because of that, my account is signed in automatically. Okay, so go ahead and pick your account. After that, enter your reCAPTCHA name. So I'm going to put my reCAPTCHA name here. So I'm going to enter the name of my website, and this is for organization purposes. Okay, I want to have my things organized, so this is for my website, and my website is called Solo Sound. Okay, Solo Sound. Scroll down, and then please pick the second option here, and then make sure it is on I'm not a robot tick box. Okay, so this is the one we want to pick. Okay, after that, scroll down and then paste your website URL here. In order to make our reCAPTCHA work on our website, we need to paste our website domain name here. For this, let's go back to our web browser, open our website, and then copy our website URL. For this, I'm going to copy from here to here, copy, go back to our reCAPTCHA page, and then I'm going to paste my website URL here. Please remember to remove any protocol, whether HTTP or HTTPS, this way. After that, we simply click on submit and then wait. And here we are on our reCAPTCHA, sorry, our keys. This way we're going to copy our keys and paste them. So let's go back to our site, and then they need the reCAPTCHA key. So we go back and then we copy our site key. So you're copying this one, and then we go ahead and paste it inside here. Okay, remember to click on go to analytics, and then you'll be able to see number of requests passed and failed here. So this is now your what analytics, your dashboard of your reCAPTCHA, and on top you can see the name of your site there. Okay, and you have two sites, so the number of sites you have integrated this analytics is there. In your case, you're going to have one site. All right, now after you paste in that key in your website, then you should expect reCAPTCHAs on your logins and your registration pages. Okay, so let's go ahead and see whether we'll be able to see that or not. For this, I'll open my site in a new private window, like this, and then we're going to create an account. So when you click on register account, you should be able to see something like I'm not a robot reCAPTCHA here, just like we have it here. I hope this video has been informative. Hoping to see you in my next video, where we'll be talking about a lot of web design stuff. See you there.